Megha and I am the student of BSc Nursing 4th year of LLR Institute of Nursing Education, Gulab Devi Hospital, Jalandhar.
And my name is Komal. I am student of BSc Nursing 4th year from LLR Institute of Nursing, Gulab Devi Hospital, Jalandhar.
So today we are here to present our topic of neonatal resuscitation. So first of all, the definition of neonatal resuscitation. Neonatal resuscitation is a set of interventions at the time of birth to support the establishment of breathing and circulation.
Indications: premature delivery, malpresentations, multiple pregnancy, delivery other than normal, fetal distress, meconium staining, antepartum hemorrhage, antenatal diagnosis of fetal abnormalities.
Next is resuscitation place. Resuscitation place should be a flat surface. It should be warm and clean. The room temperature should be at 26 degrees Celsius. A radiant warmer is required. Keep heat source on before delivery and 2 pre-warm towels to receive the baby.
Equipments: DLE tray, mechanical suction catheters, feeding tubes, neonatal self-inflating resuscitation bags, face masks, oxygen with flow meter and tubing.
So next is intubation equipments. Laryngoscope with straight blade, extra bulbs and batteries, endotracheal tubes.
And then resuscitation drugs and fluids. First is injection epinephrine, injection naloxone, normal saline and sterile water.
So next are some general measures. First of all, warmth. Avoid hypothermia. Delivery in a warm and draft-free area. Baby received with a pre-warm towel. Rapidly dry head and skin. Discard the wet linen. Wrap in a pre-warm towel. Place on firm surface under radiant warmer.
Next is positioning. Spine with head in a neutral or slightly extended position. May keep towel under the shoulder.
And next is clear the airway by gentle suctioning. SOS, first the mouth then the nose, only for 2 to 3 seconds. Suction pressure should be less than 100 mmHg. Avoid deep suctioning.
Stimulation. First is flicking the toes and soles twice, then rubbing the back. Complete all these steps in 30 seconds. If baby is not breathing, go for BMV.
Next is evaluation. Reassess every 30 seconds. Consider intubation if needed. Evaluate respiratory rate and heart rate and color. Heart rate by auscultation and count for 6 seconds.
Then provide oxygen. If normal breathing and heart rate but blue limbs, free flow oxygen at 5 liter per minute by an oxygen mask per tubing and monitor SpO2.
Bag and mask ventilation. So its indications are apnea and gasping respiration, heart rate less than 100 BPM, persistent central cyanosis despite 100% of oxygen.
Then procedure. Apply the mask covering the chin up to the nose. Then resuscitated at the head and or side. Then rate 40 to 60 per minute. If along with chest compressions 30 per minute. Then evaluate every 30 seconds until heart rate more than 100 beats per minute. If heart rate is less than 60 beats per minute, start chest compressions. If stomach distended, decompress it.
And causes of non-expansion of chest. First is blocked airways, leak in mouth seal, insufficient inflation.
Chest compressions techniques. 2 thumb and 2 fingers. The rate should be 90 per minute. Compression. Ventilation ratio 3:1. Evaluate heart rate after 30 seconds and then discontinue if heart rate is more than 60 beats per minute.
Next is endotracheal intubation, and its indications are meconium stain baby, meconium aspiration, no response BMV, congenital diaphragmatic hernia, when chest compression is done simultaneously for administration of drugs.
Documentation. Apgar score, description of interventions with time.
And when to discontinue, when no heart rate for 10 minutes.
When to withheld, gestational age less than 23 weeks, birth weight less than 400 grams, and trisomy 13 or 18.
Meconium stain liquid, baby actively crying, only suctioning of mouth and nose, baby depressed on delivery, avoid initial stimulation, BMV is contraindicated, endotracheal intubation and suction. If heart rate falls during suction, give PPV.
Congenital diaphragmatic hernia, BMV contraindicated, and if medically stable, go for surgery. Thank you.
Thank you.